Feed alone can take up to 70% of your poultry farming cost. And this is where many farmers lose money without even realizing it. But what if you could reduce your feed cost and still maintain fast growth and good egg production? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step. Welcome to Farm and Feed Academy, where we make animal production simple and practical for everyone. Before we talk about reducing feed costs, you need to understand why it is expensive. Most poultry feed is made from ingredients like maize, soybean meal, fish meal, and additives. These ingredients are not cheap, and if you depend only on commercial feed, your profit will always be limited. Many farmers try to reduce costs the wrong way. They reduce feed quantity or use poor quality ingredients. This leads to slow growth, weak birds, and even death. So the goal is not to reduce feeding. The goal is to feed smart. Let's look at practical ways to reduce cost. Number 1, reduce feed wastage. Many farmers lose a lot of feed through spillage. Always use proper feeders and avoid overfilling. Number 2, use local ingredients. Instead of relying only on expensive commercial feed, you can include local alternatives like cassava peels, properly processed, palm kernel cake, groundnut cake. These can reduce costs significantly. Number 3, proper feed storage. If your feed gets wet or contaminated, you lose money. Always store feed in a dry, clean environment. Number 4, correct feeding schedule. Do not overfeed or underfeed. Follow proper feeding guidelines based on age. Now let's look at a simple broiler feed formula. Starter feed example: maize, 50%, soybean meal, 25%, groundnut cake, 15%, fish meal, 5%, premix, 2%, others, 3%. This supports fast growth in early stages. For layers, the goal is egg production. Layer feed example: maize, 45%, soybean meal, 20%, groundnut cake, 15%, bone meal, 10%, premix, 2%, others, 8%. This ensures strong eggs and consistent laying. Advantages of feed formulation includes: 1, it lowers feed cost. 2, it gives you better control of your farm. 3, you gain higher profit in the long run. The disadvantages are: 1, it requires knowledge. 2, wrong mixing can affect birds. 3, it is time-consuming. If you really want to learn more about feed formulation, drop a comment or reach out to me on my other social media account through the link in my bio. I will guide and teach you everything you need to know about feed formulation. Reducing feed cost is not about cutting corners. It's about making smarter decisions. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Farm and Feed Academy, Animal Production Made Easy.